Some people be like, oh my gosh, Dez, your makeup looks so nice. Like, how do you get your eyeliner like that? By struggling. By struggling. Black days, black days, black days. These are black gold days. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Dez. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick, easy, simple, basic ass makeup tutorial that I do most of the time. If not, then I just don't wear makeup at all. Honestly, I have not even worn like a full face of makeup in a very long time. I don't plan to anytime soon, so this is not going to be like a full face of makeup or anything like that. It's going to be really easy, and also I'm going to be using extremely affordable products. I cannot even tell you the last time I spent bread on makeup. I buy cheap makeup because I don't wear makeup like that anymore and that often to really be spending buku money on makeup. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Not a lot of people request this video, but I still get asked to make this video here and there, so I wanted to make it just for those people that were really interested and curious. So yeah, for starters, I got some bliss sticks. I always need to start with bliss sticks or end with it. It doesn't matter, just I need bliss sticks. And even if I'm gonna wear lip gloss or like a lip color on top, bliss sticks or Vaseline, something to keep the lips moisturized underneath. And what's nice about bliss sticks too is that it actually has SPF in it. First thing I take is a spoolie, but I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. I already did earlier, but I'm gonna brush them again for the sake of this video. So for my eyebrows, I'm using e.l.f. It's kind of like their dip brow thing. It's in the color Espresso. And I have an angled brush here. That's what it looks like on the inside. So when I do this, sometimes I tend to be really heavy-handed, but I like my eyebrows dark because I like it to match my hair. So I'm just like tapping the brush until I feel like there's enough. So I like to start halfway and then just line the bottom first. It's always better to have to add more to the brush than to have too much. I usually do this in my big mirrors. This is kind of weird to adjust. You just want to do small strokes for the tail because you don't want it to be too harsh and looking like real unnatural, you know? We already drawn our eyebrows on. When I get closer to the front here, I go very light because, like I said, I don't want this to look harsh at all. And then I bring the color upwards. Still going very lightly. And I actually want them just a little bit darker, so I'm gonna add some more of the dip brow. Sometimes if I feel like my tail isn't sharp enough, instead of using like concealer or color corrector, I will literally just take my finger and make that bad boy sharper. That's it. That's it. I really don't be doing nothing extra like I used to. So if I feel like one eyebrow is much darker than the other and I want to make it match a little bit better, I'm just going to take my spoolie and just brush the excess color, and it should fade to something similar as the other brow. And then I like to bring the hairs up here up more. And that's it for the eyebrows. I kind of do things a little bit backwards. So for my waterline, I'm gonna do this white color. I don't know why I do my waterline before my actual eyeliner. I don't know. But I honestly could not even, I think it says Skin for the brand. It says Bright Eyes Eye Enhancing Eyeliner. It's like a peachy color, but it comes off as white. And just go in small strokes. like that. So now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, my winged eyeliner. I'm gonna be using e.l.f. It is their waterproof eyeliner. Okay guys, I had to get closer to my big mirror because I just cannot do my eyeliner in the camera like this. I tried. It looked terrible, so I wiped it off. And we are gonna try again because it was not cute. And there's just no way I'm putting out content that's not cute. So now that my struggle is over, let's get into this mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is also by e.l.f. It is the lash extending mascara. This is also by e.l.f. It is their length and volume mascara. It has a smaller wand. I know not a lot of people are probably gonna watch this video because it's just not about my hair, but I'm really excited because I have my first collab coming up with a colored contact company, and I'm so excited because I actually used to wear colored contacts years ago, but they weren't really like as natural looking as this brand, and I'm so excited because they're sending me 4 different colors that I chose, and I'm just really excited to show you guys and everything and see how it looks. So I'm hoping that they come in sometime next week and then I can do that video. But yeah, color contacts are like nothing new to me, so when the brand reached out to me, I'm like, sign me up. That sounds so exciting. So I'm really hyped for when that time comes. Can y'all tell that I like e.l.f.? I'm going in with my e.l.f. highlighter. It comes in like 2 different shades. There's like a white shimmery shade and like a peachy one. I'm using the peachy one. I'm just tapping my finger and then tapping it on my nose. I like to get the bridge of my nose. And then the top of my Cupid's bow. And now for the lips. I'm gonna be taking some dark brown lip liner. I don't know what brand this is because I just get these from like the beauty supply store, or that's it, the beauty supply store. So I like to start with the top first. Now, obviously, if my lips didn't have ballistics on them, the color would show more, but the color's still there, so I don't really care. Also, I'm not really looking for like a super dark look right now. If I wanted it to really pop, then I wouldn't have put on the Vaseline first. And now I'm going to take my Broadway Honey lip gloss. I also get these at the beauty supply store because they're always coming out with different ones, and every time I see a new one I have to try it. And I saw the honey and I was like, oh, say less. And also it smells exactly like honey. It smells so good, so I'm just gonna put some of that on. And that's it. That is all I do, y'all. It's so simple and so easy for the most part, other than the eyeliner and not wanting to act right, but we're not gonna talk about it. Okay, cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to like the 5 people that request this video, because I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but I just keep thinking like, oh my gosh, no one's gonna watch it, blah blah blah. But you know, I really need to stop thinking like that, because some of my most popular videos are videos I thought nobody would watch, or I just was not confident in, and they end up getting like 50, 60, 70,000 views. So with that being said, do not doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. I'm believing in myself. Believe in yourself, and that's all I'm gonna say. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.